How are you guys? I want to share with you a neat trick that I learned from HVAC installers a long time ago. And this tip is useful when you find yourself needing to drill a hole through a wall or a ceiling, a floor, and you're trying to do the layout. And anywhere where maybe you can't see the other side or easily walk around to lay it out. So it's a probe. It's basically a probe tip. And it saves considerable time in layout and considerable time with filling or patching exploratory holes later. I simply chuck a metal insulation rod, a support rod, which holds up insulation in ceilings, into a drill. And then I send it through the wall, ceiling, or floor. Now these rods are really sharp and they'll go through almost anything. So you need to take care and make sure that there's nothing buried in the wall or you're gonna damage anything. So you gotta be careful. You never really know, but you gotta be careful. Once the rod is inserted, I then unchuck the drill. I leave the rod sticking out on the other side, and then I go back and find it and finish my layout and go back and install or drill my hole. The tip saves a ton of time, guys. I've been using it now for probably 15, 18 years, and it's probably one of the best tips I've ever learned from another contractor. Hope you guys are well. Take care.